Today we're showing you a 2014 John Deere 3033R tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a John Deere quick attach front end loader. The tractor has just under 700 hours on it. It is a local trade-in. It's in excellent condition mechanically and cosmetically. It's got the John Deere style quick attach for your bucket connection. Bucket's in nice shape. It does have the John Deere H160 quick attach front loader. Goes right with the tractor. Paint's in very nice shape. Tractor was just serviced at 678 hours. This is the R series tractor, so it is the premium version of the 3 series. It's got the heavier frame, better hydrostat. Also has the Throttle, which is a really nice feature on these little tractors. A little bit of a tear here in the seat. Rearranged in the hydrostat transmission, four-wheel drive, differential lock, and park brake here to the left of the seat. Tilt steering wheel, toolbox here in the fender. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.